How to replace an NE40E with a NetEngine 8000X in the same cabinet using an enclosure frame. During the migration from an NE40E to a NetEngine 8000X, some sites face challenges due to limited space. As a result, the NetEngine 8000X must be installed in the same cabinet as the NE40E before replacing it. This video explains how to address such issues. It uses an N68E cabinet as an example to show how to replace an NE40E X8 with a NetEngine 8000X8. In this scenario, the site also faces the following limitations. The NetEngine 8000X8 is 985 mm deep, but the N68E cabinet is only 800 mm deep. After the NetEngine 8000X8 is installed, the cabinet door cannot be closed. The customer cannot accept long-time power off and service interruption during cabinet and device replacement. To overcome these limitations, Huawei offers an enclosure frame for the N68E cabinet. This enables a NetEngine 8000X8 to be installed in the same cabinet as an NE40E X8. An NE40E X8 is installed in an N68E cabinet, as shown in the figure. Step 1. Remove the rear door of the N68E cabinet. Step 2. Install an enclosure frame to extend the cabinet depth by 225 meters from 800 mm to 1025 mm. Step 3. Install the NetEngine 8000X8. Step 4. Install the rear door of the cabinet. After the preceding steps are complete, you can replace the NE40E X8 with the NetEngine 8000X8 and proceed with service commissioning and cutover.